Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Taylor polynomials are actually super easy once you see the pattern. We are going to estimate this function at 2 using the third degree formula. First, we need the derivative values at 1. Plug in n equals 1, 2, and 3 into our formula to get -1, -2/9, and -3/25. Now build the polynomial using these values divided by their factorials. Since we are centered at 1, each term uses x minus 1 raised to the power of n. Let's go. Finally, plug in x equals 2. The x minus 1 terms become 1, so simplify the fractions for the final answer. Option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given formulas to avoid any simple calculation rush.